Derrick, thank you so much for having us in. This is where the magic happens, the
Sure
factory.
does. Yep.
My new friend, Rosaria, I'm so excited. You said 5,000 tamales a day, right?
Yeah, or we could make a couple thousand individual tamales a day. Obviously, when that translates into dozens, it becomes a little less. But yeah, it's an outrageous number. we can
Wow,
produce.
so much. And this is right where it happens. So I am so excited to learn how to make tamales. So these are pork, right?
Yep. That's pork with salsa.
Okay.
Poquito ven más.
Oh, man. Too much in mine.
Mira, no, así.
Oh, ay, ay, ay. Oh, okay.
Perfection.
Okay, and then we roll.
Ah, mira,
Ay.
ya.
Oh, okay, tuck it. Okay. Okay, tuck it. Good. And what do I do here?
Está bien.
It's ready.
Ahí va.
There you go. First tamale.
Okay. A little
Mira,
more.
ahí va otro así.
Okay. And then I roll it.
Doblelo. Mire, y le echaste para allá.
Hold it.
Luego para allá. ¿Ok? Ándale.
Oh, perfecto.
You're natural.
What is the most popular flavor?
The one that you're making right now, the pork.
Pork.
Yes, people seem to love the flavor of it. You know, it just kind of, the salsa just kind of like seeps into the masa as you're eating the tamale.
And Rosaria has been here for many years.
Many years. Yeah.
Ok.
¿Cuántos años?
25.
25 years.
25. Wow.
There you go.
Wow. Doing pretty good. That's bueno, ¿no?
Es bueno.
Bueno.
Muy bien.
Muy bien.
Muy bien.
She likes to work fast. I'm still learning.
She sure is. I am too.
Wow. So, what is it like for you, Derrick, working in the factory, kind of running this place with your dad, thinking about how you started your family legacy with one corner store, and here we are today with 5,000 tamales a day?
So it's amazing how much we've grown. You know, we make a lot of our own things. You know, and that's kind of just what makes us so authentic. Is the fact that everything we make on a daily basis and send them to all of our stores so that our customers can try the freshest product that we make.
She's the best quality control here.
Oh yeah, she has a great eye, and you know she's perfected the process obviously in these past 25 years.
Yeah. I like how you roll it. She even has a real,
Yeah.
there's an art to the roll that I
It is.
think I'm almost getting. Okay. And over, you gotta just go and roll. Oh, that's the trick. It's like a roll. Okay, I got that.
Ok.
Roll.
Ándale, ándale.
Ah,
Bravo.
yay, we did it. High five. Derrick, it's time to try the famous tamales. So
Sure is.
what do you suggest? I think we have a few different flavors.
So yeah, I would start off with the chicken tamales.
Okay.
Yeah.
Chicken, and where we unwrap them.
Unwrap it.
Okay.
Fully, and you can
Oh, wow.
use that wrap if you want.
It's like a
to kinda
holder.
hold it, kind of like
Okay.
a popsicle.
Okay, we can if we want drizzle a little.
Yeah, drizzle a little bit of salsa, homemade salsa on there,
Okay.
and give it a try.
Wow. The flavor is so good, and the
Yeah.
corn.
Oh yeah, you can taste every single ingredient.
There is no doubt that your family, the legacy of El Rey Foods, just makes Milwaukee such a special place. So thank you for having us today. It's been great to meet your team. Delicious.
Thank you very much for coming.